I haven't opened, I haven't fully opened it up yet, but I got my first PR package from Revlon. It took like a month for it to get here, but it's here. So we're gonna see what we got. It's kind of heavy. Okay. Some tape right here. It's a lot of stuff in here. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna cry. It's so much stuff. Okay. This is a Brow Lights pomade pencil. I didn't expect this much stuff. What is this? It's a pomade for your brows, but it's a pencil. I didn't even know that exists. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, what color is it? What shade is this? Dark brown. She knew. She knew. She knew. Okay. Ooh, we got a lip liner, which I need, cause I just don't own lip liners like that. I use like one. And technically it's an eyebrow pencil, and I use it as a lip liner, so I really don't have any. But now I got one. Let me put some stuff over. What is this? Ooh, another lip liner. So we got like a pink one and a brown one. Ooh, this is their new primer, and it's matte. Mattifying pore reducing makeup skincare primer. Wow, it has salicylic acid in it. Oh, this gonna be, I can't wait to try this out. Photo ready. I can't wait to try that out. Ooh, this is a gel glossy waterproof eyeliner, and it's purple. I like that. Another lip liner, Wild and Berry. It's like, looks like this shade right here, kind of, one of these. I like that. Oh my gosh, all these lip liners. I'm about to be using them for real, for real. Ooh, another glossy eyeliner, and this one is a Righteous Rum. Did I say lip liner? Eyeliner. Yeah, eyeliner. What else is in here? Y'all, it's so much stuff in here. It's like Christmas in March. We have another gel glossy eyeliner in Mighty Mocha. I like that. I like that. Ooh. We got an eyeshadow palette. Okay, yeah. Those are pretty colors. This is so pretty. Like, I can already see the looks I'm gonna do. What is this? Brow Lights pomade. Oh, another pomade pencil. Oh, but this one's in soft black. Okay. I'm here for all the different shade ranges. Y'all, Look at this highlighter. It is gorgeous. I need to swatch this now. Hold on. These nails won't let me be great. I can't open it. I'm struggling. Excuse my voice. It's not all the way here right now. I am struggling. Ooh. I done messed it up. It's okay. It's okay. Anyway, look, my nail went across it. Oh, this is pretty. That is so pretty. And it's like creamy. I don't think I've ever had a highlighter like this. Oh, look. Now my hand is, it's okay. It's okay. Look, I done got highlighter on my. Ooh. We got two other palettes. These are some gorgeous colors. Revlon. Y'all did that, okay? Y'all did that. It's a, oh, this is a bronzer. Okay, so we got the highlighter, and we got a bronzer, which is gorgeous. These are just gorgeous. We got another eyeliner, glossy, in Royal Rules. It's like blue. That is so pretty. I cannot wait. I'm about to do so many. Revlon. Yo, girl got some foundation. And these look like, it looks like it's my shade. They look like my shade. We got, okay, so it's the Moisture Glow Anti-Pollution Foundation. Photo ready. I got 550 and 510. So, ooh, look at it's a pump. This is a cute little pump. We finna use these tomorrow, okay? I just didn't expect all this. What's this? We almost done, y'all. We almost done. Look like we just got some lipsticks left. Ooh, look at this gloss. I'm about to put it on right now. Oh, this is gorgeous. I like this. I like this. Lips is popping. Oh, we got some High Shine lipstick. I used to wear red lips all the time, like in high school, and now, for some reason, I feel like I look weird. I look weird with red lips, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just going through a phase. But I'm trying to get back to wearing like bold colors on my lips. I don't know what it is or what's been going on, but we gonna make it work. This is cute and kind of match my nails. I like this color. Okay, that's how this one looks. Super cute. Ooh, they're gonna go perfect with all the lip liners I got. We got another one. Is this the same? Oh no, it's a darker one. Okay, yeah. I was like, is this the same color? This is a darker one. Yeah, they really sent your girl some foundation. Like, oh, I like that. Oh, this the one. This the one. Yes. All right. We got some lipsticks. This one is Pick Me Up. This is cute. This is real cute. It's right there. That's really cute. I like that. See, this is probably like the type of red I'm gonna start off with. This berry. Oh, it's called black cherry. I like that one. Shameless. Oh, it's so cute. You got a little Revlon mark on there. Y'all can't really see that, but that's cute. I'm so excited. So excited. I got this hat on because my wig is not laid. So, anyway. This one's called Insane. I like that. Oh, that's why. Look at that. These are some bomb colors. They hooked your girl up. Okay? I cannot wait to do looks with these products. Cherries in the Snow. That's a cute name. That is gorgeous. Y'all. I'm gonna cry. Okay. What's the name of this one? Berry Bliss. Look at all these colors. They're so pretty. Ooh, it's cute. Wait. I'm like all over my wrist. That's so cute. I'm running out of room. Okay. Ooh. We got another gloss. Like the clear one, but this one's brown. Let me do the other hand. Ooh, that's so pretty. This is probably my favorite. This is definitely my favorite. I'm wearing her tomorrow. And we got another one. And it feels good, like. Okay. It feels so good. Thank you so much, Revlon, for all the goodies. I cannot wait to use every single product in this bag, okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.